good, YouTube? It's your girl Lovely Maya back with another video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. If you want to achieve this hairstyle, make sure you watch the video to the end. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. You want to first start off making your part, and the way I do it, I just take the edge control and I go across the part that I've already made, and then I'm going to use my comb to go through it again to make sure that my part is clean and crisp. As you can see here, that's what I'm doing. And doing this part is kind of self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let y'all watch and see. After I have made my part, I do use a brush to slick it down even more, and then I secure it down with a rubber band.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says go, baby. At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So I basically did 3 rows. I did 2 at the bottom, then I did another row and I had 5 in the middle, and then I made another row, and you see there is 3 on both sides. The hair that I'm using is just regular pre-stretched braiding hair. So basically what I do is I get some edge control and I put it on the hair, because it's easier for the crochet needle to go through the hair when it's not as thick as it is. So that's why I use the jam to help it go through my braid or my hair.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I put aside. All the niggas around me, ride and die. Gotta watch the sign, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in the AMG, right outside, GT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, ride and die. Gotta watch the sign, cause it's flying right by.
So on this part, I'm twisting my hair one side, like I'm twisting it towards the mirror, and the other piece of hair, or the other side of the hair, I'm going to twist the opposite direction. And whenever you start twisting, you're going to keep that same twisting motion. So you're going to twist the hair and you're going to twist down at the same time. So to repeat that, I'm twisting the hair and then I twist down during the same motion, because if not, your twist is going to be loose. So make sure that you're twisting both sides of the hair and then you twist down. You also want to keep the same consistency throughout the twist, because you do not want thin ends. So right there when you see me adding the hair, that's what I was doing, because the hair started to get thin and you want the twist to be the same size and length at the bottom.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling up, but you knew me. Sometimes I wish that was 2 of me, or 3 of me, when it was 2 of me.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Candy City, she blowing me kisses. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
And again, if I feel that the hair is getting thin, I do use a piece of extra hair, a smaller piece, and I place it on top. And I just continue to twist down doing the same thing that I was doing with the other 2 sides of the hair.
Gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed photos on the team. Remember when you left me in between? That was 2017. All good, just to look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Yellow red credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing, no. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day. Maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this runway.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Early, maybe later, you can show me. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Look, dress hanging off your shoulder, belly sober, telling me.
To add my little personal touch, I did add some beads on the end. Yeah, that's really cute. But this is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all learned something. And I hope that your hairstyle turned out cute as mine did. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also push the bell notification so you can be notified every time I drop a video. See you in the next video. Bye.